The art of coffee, from bean to brew. Opening shot of a coffee shop with the sound of coffee being brewed in the background. Coffee is more than just a drink, it's an art form. From selecting the right beans to brewing the perfect cup, there's a lot that goes into making a great cup of coffee. A coffee farm, showing workers picking coffee beans. It all starts on the coffee farm. Coffee beans are carefully picked by hand and sorted to ensure only the best beans make it to the next stage. A coffee roasting facility. Once the beans have been sorted, they're roasted to perfection. Roasting is a crucial process that determines the flavor and aroma of the coffee. A barista preparing a shot of espresso. When it comes to brewing coffee, there are many methods, but one of the most popular is espresso. A skilled barista can extract the perfect shot of espresso with just the right amount of crema. A pour-over method being demonstrated. Another popular brewing method is the pour-over. This method requires patience and precision as hot water is slowly poured over the coffee grounds, extracting a rich and flavorful cup of coffee. A latte art demonstration. Finally, coffee can also be a work of art. Latte art is a creative way to showcase a barista's skill and creativity. Closing shot of a customer taking a sip of coffee. From bean to brew, coffee is an intricate art form that requires skill, dedication, and passion. So next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, remember the hard work and artistry that went into making it.